Have you noticed something? Every time you open the news, it feels heavier. Iran, America, Israel, missiles, warnings, threats. And now the big question, could this conflict start World War III? Before we go deeper, comment below right now, do you think World War III is possible? Yes or no? I'm curious what you think. Wars don't start suddenly. World wars don't explode overnight. They build slowly, one tension, one response, one alliance activated. That's exactly how World War I started. Nobody planned a global war, but small reactions kept stacking up, and suddenly the whole world was involved. History doesn't shout, it whispers first. 2. The alliance domino effect. Here's where things get serious. Big countries never stand alone. If one escalates, others feel pressure to respond. Military partnerships exist for a reason. Support today can become involvement tomorrow. That's the domino effect. One country moves, another reacts, another feels threatened, and suddenly, it's no longer regional, it's global. 3. Nuclear weapons. Fear is the barrier. Now, here's the difference between today and 1914. Nuclear weapons. Back then, war meant destruction. Today, war could mean extinction. No leader wants that, because nuclear war has no winner. That fear is actually protecting the world right now. Strange, right? Peace built on fear, but fear only works if everyone stays rational. For the psychology of leaders. Let's talk about something deeper. Wars don't start because of ordinary people. They start because of decisions. And leaders are human. They feel pressure. They don't want to look weak. They worry about reputation. Sometimes the fear of looking weak is stronger than the fear of war, and that's dangerous. Because emotional decisions create global consequences. If you're still watching, hit like right now, because most people scroll past headlines, but you're trying to understand what's really happening. 5. The real risk miscalculation. So, will this become World War III? Right now, probably not. Major powers understand the cost is too high, but here's the real danger: miscalculation. Most global wars begin with one sentence: it won't go that far. That overconfidence is what changes history. Maybe this conflict stays contained. Maybe it stretches for years. Economic pressure, proxy wars, global tension. But if one side miscalculates, everything changes. Here's the truth. World War III won't begin with a bomb. It will begin with a decision, one order, one reaction, one mistake. And that's why awareness matters. If you want more videos breaking down global events in simple language, understanding power, psychology, and the future of the world, make sure you subscribe. Because the world is changing, and those who understand it, stay ahead of it. See you in the next one.